Harihi Om. We'll see the stotram Swarnamala Stuti, authored by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. When we see the shlokas of this stotram, we can notice that each shloka begins with a Samskrita akshara. So the first shloka starts with akara, then second with akara, then ikara, ikara, like that. From a to ksha, there are about 50 shlokas he has composed. So each shloka begins with a Samskrita akshara, and இந்த ஸ்தோத்திரத்தோட பேரே வந்து ஸ்வர்ணமாலா ஸ்துதி அப்படின்னு. And because it is a stotram glorifying Shiva, all the shlokas that are carrying the mahatmyam of Shiva are strung into a mala with Samskrita akshara as the beads. அதாவது சிவனுடைய மகாத்மியத்தை அந்த ஸ்லோக ரூபமாக ஒரு மாலையாக கோத்து, சம்ஸ்கிருத அக்ஷரங்களை வச்சு ஒரு மாலையாக கோத்து, அதை ஸ்வர்ணமாலையாக பாவிச்சு அவர் இந்த ஸ்தோத்திரத்தை எழுதியிருக்கார். ஸோ வில் see the first shloka and it will begin with akara. அத கதமபி மத்ரசனாம் த்வத்குணலேஷைஹி விஷோதயாமி விபோ சாம்ப சதாசிவ சம்போ சங்கர சரணம் மே தவ சரணயுகம். அத கதமபி மத் ரசனாம் த்வத்குணலேஷைஹி விஷோதயாமி விபோ சாம்ப சதாசிவ சம்போ சங்கர சரணம் மே தவ சரணயுகம். திஸ் சாம்ப சதாசிவ சம்போ சங்கர சரணம் மே தவ சரணயுகம் will come in all the shlokas. So Acharya is calling out to Shiva as He Samba, He Sadashiva, He Shambho, He Shankara, Tava Charana Yugam Me Sharanam. I take shelter in your Charana Yugam. Yugam means Yugam, Yugalam means two Charanam, 2 feet in your 2 padam, Padadvayam. So Acharya is calling out to Shiva and saying, Hey, one who is along with Amba, Uma, and Sadashiva, hey, one who is always Mangalam. And because he is always Mangala Rupam, he will also do Mangalam to everyone else. So that's why He Shambho, He Shankara. Sham Bhavayati iti Shambhuhu, Sham Karoti iti Shankaraha. When we call out, it will become He Shankara, Hey, one who does Mangalam to everyone. I take shelter in your Charana Yugam, Padadvayam. So for that, how am I? How is the bhakta who is chanting this stotram? He is saying, Acharya has composed it, but when each of us read it, it is our bhakti and shraddha towards Shiva. So, atha kathamapi mat rasanam tvad gunaleshaihi vishodhayami vibho. Again, Hey Vibho is also sambodhanam here, calling out. Vibho means sarvavyapi, all mahatmyam. Mahatmyam niraindavare அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். One who has all the mahatmyam. Kathamapi, somehow. Atha kathamapi means hereafter somehow. By some means. எப்படியோ அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா தமிழில், அதான். By some means mat rasanam. Rasana அப்படின்னாக்க the indriya with which we taste, which is our tongue. What will I do with my tongue? Mat rasanam, with my tongue. Tvat gunaleshaihi vishodhayami. By doing stotram on your gunas, on your charita mahatmyam, about you. Gunaleshaihi means lavalesham, we say, right? A very, very small amount. அதாவது சிவஸ் மாஹாத்மியம் இஸ் இன் பிளென்டி. சிவமாஹாத்மியம் கொட்டி கடக்கு. ஹிஸ் சரித மாஹாத்மியம் இஸ் இன் அபண்டன்ஸ். ஃப்ரம் தட் abundant charita mahatmyam of yours, vishodhayami, shuddham karomi. Now if we have to do shuddham of something, if we want to clean something, if we want to purify something, then we need a vastu or something to clean it. If the mirror is dirty, then we need a cloth or water or soap, some means with which we can clean it. So here the bhakta, whoever wants to chant this stotram, Acharya has strung the first bead, saying that first with what we are chanting, with our rasana. We are chanting with our tongue. So first we have to do shuddham of it. That means we have to talk only positive things. We say, right? We have to talk positive things. Mangala Vishayam. How is it possible to talk Mangala Vishayam with our rasana? First, we have to clean the place. Just as how when we start cooking, we first clean up the place for the next day cooking. Or when we are going to do puja, we first take the nirmalyam, the flowers that were used the previous day, and then we clean the place and then put rangoli, right? Like that. Now, if we are going to chant this stotram, the first thing we are using is our tongue. So, Acharya is telling for bhaktas like us who want to chant that the rasana, vishodhayami, I am purifying, I am cleaning my rasana with what? What is the soap here that is cleaning it? By singing your Charita Mahatmyam. Do we need a lot of soap? No. Lavalesham. We need a very small portion only. Because his Charita Mahatmyam is a lot. We don't need a lot of the Charita Mahatmyam to purify our rasana. We just need a lavalesham of that. To chant just a small portion of your gunas, our rasana will get purified. So, by singing your Mahatmyam, a lavalesham of your Mahatmyam, I purify my tongue. So, He Vibho, He Samba, He Sadashiva, He Shambho, He Shankara, I take shelter in your Padam. Tamilla quickா பார்க்கலாம். He Vibho, He Sarvavyāpiye, உன்னுடைய சரித மாகாத்மியங்களை லவலேஷமாவது சொல்லி என் நாக்கை சுத்தம் செய்கிறேன். ஹே அம்பாவுடன் கூடியவரே, உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே, ஹே சதாசிவ, ஹே சம்போ, ஹே சங்கர, உமது பாதங்கள்தான் எனக்கு புகலிடம் ஆகின்றன. All right, we'll see the next shloka in the next audio. Ram Ram Ram.